Hello, friends. Today we're breaking down a wild tech update that's been making waves in the industry. If you've been following along with our channel, you know that we're always on the lookout for cutting-edge advancements that can help you, as an aspiring developer or curious tech builder, stay ahead of the curve. Today's topic is all about ex-OpenAI CTO Mira Murati and her new interaction model that's giving even GPT Real-Time 2 a serious run for its money. But what exactly is this new model, and why should you care? Let's dive in. First off, let's break down the basics. What is the interaction model, and how does it differ from previous models like GPT-3 or GPT Real-Time 2? The interaction model, as developed by Mira Murati, is a groundbreaking AI model that takes into account not just text-based inputs, but also real-time user interactions. This means that instead of simply generating text based on patterns and data, the interaction model can actually learn from and respond to user input in real time. So how does this make it different from GPT Real-Time 2? Well, while GPT Real-Time 2 is certainly impressive in its ability to generate human-like text quickly and efficiently, it still falls short of the interaction model's ability to truly adapt and evolve based on user interactions. In other words, the interaction model is more than just a faster, more efficient way of generating text. It's a dynamic, intelligent system that can learn from and respond to its users in real time. But why should you care about this new model? Well, for one thing, it has huge implications for the future of AI development. By allowing models to learn and adopt based on user input, we're essentially opening up a whole new world of possibilities when it comes to creating intelligent systems that can truly understand and respond to human needs. So what are some practical examples of how this technology could be used? For starters, imagine being able to have real-time conversations with virtual assistants or customer service bots that actually understand your questions and concerns, rather than just regurgitating pre-written responses. Or think about the possibilities for personalized education systems that can adapt their lessons based on a student's individual learning style and progress. Of course, as with any new technology, there are bound to be some common misconceptions or mistakes people might make when it comes to understanding and utilizing the interaction model. One such misconception is the idea that this kind of AI system will replace human workers in certain industries. While it's true that models like these could potentially automate certain tasks, we must remember that they still require ongoing development, maintenance, and refinement by skilled humans. In fact, one key insight that many people may not consider when looking at the interaction model is the importance of collaboration between humans and AI systems. Rather than viewing these models as a replacement for human workers, we should be thinking about how to best integrate them into our workflows in order to create more efficient, effective systems that can complement human intelligence rather than replace it. So there you have it, a breakdown of Mira Murati's groundbreaking interaction model and why it matters for the future of AI development. As always, if you have any questions or thoughts on this topic, please leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and follow us for more tech updates and insights.